Is your Android phone feeling slow or not as smooth as you expected? In this video, I'll show you how to change the refresh rate between 60Hz and 120Hz on Android phones quickly and easily. This simple setting can help you get smoother performance for gaming and scrolling or better battery life for daily use. Go to the settings menu. This is where you can manage all the important system features and display options on your device. Now scroll down carefully and look for the display section. On some Android phones, the name may be slightly different depending on the brand, but it usually appears as display or screen settings. Tap on it to continue. Inside the display menu, scroll down again until you find an option called Motion Smoothness, Refresh Rate, or Screen Refresh Rate. Open that page to see the available refresh rate settings on your phone. If your device supports high refresh rates, you'll usually see two main options: standard 60Hz and adaptive or high 120Hz. To use 60Hz refresh rate, select the standard option and tap apply or save. This mode helps save battery life and is perfect for normal daily use like calling, messaging, and watching videos. If you want a faster and smoother experience, go back and choose the adaptive or 120Hz option, then tap apply to confirm. This mode makes scrolling, animations, gaming, and navigation feel much smoother and more responsive. That's it. You now know how to change between 60Hz and 120Hz refresh rate on Android easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.